The Napoleon 3-sided brass grill brush is designed for cleaning before and after grilling. The 21 inches provides good leverage for more powerful brushing without damaging your grids. This essential accessory keeps your grill clean and increases its lifespan by removing corroding materials. The brass bristles are best suited for cast iron grids with enamel coating. Built for comfort, the handle is durable and easy to clean. Comes with a leather hanger to attach to the grill for convenience. Start pre-grilling by brushing the grids back and forth. Turn over grids by using the Napoleon grid lifter and glove. It is important to remember to clean both sides of the grids. Turn the grids back over with Napoleon grid lifter and glove. After cooking while the grids are still hot, strongly use the brass brush again. Use the unique design of the brush head to get in between the grids. Conveniently hang on your grill after use. The Napoleon 3-sided brass brush.